But sometimes you don't have the slope at first. Now ignore these four problems. I forgot to erase them. I forgot to get rid of them. So we're going to have an example, what's in the blue, and then here's your turn. So this is your turn right here. Okay? So the first thing we got to do here is we got to get the slope. We don't know the slope right now. All we know is that the line we're trying to find crosses these 2 points. All right, so we have 2 pairs of XY values. And what line would it be that crosses those 2 pairs of XY values? Well, the first thing we got to do is find the slope, and then we'll have the number that we could use that multiplies to X in our linear rule. All right, so here's the information we have. And because we got to find the slope before we can do anything else, that's the first thing we do. All right, so I'm going to group the Y's, and then I'm going to group the X's. Okay, and again, you can go right minus left, or, the second Y minus the first Y over the second X minus the first X. Okay, so 7 minus 2 over 6 minus 3, so 5/3. Okay, now we can replace the value for the slope, the letter M, in the slope-intercept form. So we know this is going to be 5/3 times X, but we just don't know this other number. Okay, now we have 2 choices to pick for XY this time. So if you get a choice, pick the smaller numbers. I'm going to pick this one, because 3 and 2 is smaller. And now we just replace the Y and the X with the 2 for Y, the 3 for X, and then solve the equation for B. Okay, and again, notice you can cross cancel the 3's, or you can do 15 divided by 3. Either way, you still get 5. And so it looks like that's going to have to be minus 3. So now we know the y-intercept. Now we can complete our rule. We got the slope of 5/3. We just got the b value, the y-intercept. And so, oops. Now we can do that.